In this video, we'll look at the new end shape feature in Filmora 15.2, which lets you add arrowheads, dots, diamonds, and more to the start or end of any path, plus swap direction instantly. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Feature Overview. In version 15.2, Filmora improved the pen tool's handling of path endings. You can now add shapes like arrows, dots, triangles, and diamonds to highlight direction. UI naming changes. Filmora also cleaned up the naming. The old style field is now called line style and only controls whether the line is solid or dashed. The new end shape settings control the arrow or end symbol. Where end shape works. End shapes only work under specific conditions. They're supported on non-closed paths and solid strokes. They do not appear on closed shapes or non-solid strokes. How to use end shapes. Step 1. Draw a path. Start by using the pen tool to draw a non-closed path. Step 2. Find the settings. With the path selected, open the Stroke Properties panel on the right. Under Line Style, you'll see the new End Shape options. Step 3. Choose Start and End Shapes. You have independent controls for Start Shape and End Shape. Click either drop-down to choose arrow types or symbols. The end shape scales with your stroke thickness for consistent visuals. Step 4. Swap direction. Next to Start and End settings is the Swap button. Click it to flip your shapes from one end to the other instantly. This doesn't redraw the path, just reverses the presentation. How it interacts with other tools. Caps and end shapes aren't mutually exclusive, but only one is visible at a time. If an end shape is active, it hides the cap visually. If you remove the end shape, the cap returns automatically. Multiple selection. When selecting multiple paths with different end shapes, the drop-down shows Mixed, and the Swap button is disabled. Use cases. This update makes the pen tool way more useful for real projects like flowcharts and diagrams, map routes and path guides, motion direction indicators, tutorial callouts, and UI highlights. That's the new end shape upgrade in Filmora 15.2. A small feature, big workflow improvement. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.